How to use gift card on Walmart. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use a gift card on Walmart app or the browser itself. Now the process is quite similar on the app and the browser, so I'll be just showing you here on the browser, but you can do the same process on the app itself as well. So what you want to do is first you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your Walmart account. Now you want to first go ahead and add the items that you want to get to your cart. Now in my case I've already got it in the cart. You want to head into the cart option in the browser. It's at the top right corner. You can see the cart icon. Simply tap on it and you'll be heading into cart. Now once here on cart, what you want to do is you want to continue to checkout. Once you tap on continue to checkout here, you can simply tap on continue to checkout and it'll review your order and certain things. And here if you head into payment details here, I'll just quickly head into payment details. You can see pay with card option on payment method. Now here you can see various options there, and along with the options you'll find the gift card option here as well. So you can see gift card option here. All you have to do is you'll have to enter in your gift card number here, and you want to check for your balance on your gift card, and then you can proceed to checkout by paying through your gift card. So this way you can use gift card on Walmart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.